Namaste. The present pandemic has definitely amplified fear, apprehension, criticism, and most of all, loneliness in most of us. Well, to amplify positivity and positive thinking amidst this fear is definitely a tedious job. And we must admit that positive thinking cannot be increased overnight. We all need some sort of mind training to boost our morale, to amplify our confidence, and also to stay calm and think positive in between all that fear that is coming up from the news that we watch on TV, from all the information that we get to hear from our neighbors. Today, I'm going to teach you a very simple yet effective technique that will help you to create positive thoughts and stay calm, yet remain responsible in your actions amidst this crisis or fearful situation. This method was taught by our beloved Dr. Abdul Kalam. This is a very famous 5-sentence treatment that Dr. Abdul Kalam has taught us to create that strength in our thoughts. Just like we go for a gym and strengthen our muscles over the time, just like we brush our teeth and kill all that germs to ensure that in the long run our tooth or teeth remains healthy, we have to ensure that we do something on a consistent basis so that when there is a crisis or a fearful situation, our brain and thoughts can support us. We should always understand that how we train ourselves is how we react or respond to a critical or a crisis situation. So here are the 5 sentences that Dr. Abdul Kalam says that we should consistently recall at least once a day. I am the best. I can do it. God is always with me. I am a winner. Today is my day. What I have done is I've got these 5 beautiful sentences printed on my mug. This is a mug that I use to drink hot water every day in the morning. I've also put my personalized statement in the end. This is like a positive affirmation I've put, I will have a great day ahead. So you can choose to use such creative techniques because it is not very easy to sit down and take time out to recall these positive sentences. So if you can just get to see them while doing any of your basic core activities, it becomes easy for the mind to practice this consistently. So either get that printed or paste a paper on your coffee mug or your hot water mug, or you can even paste it on top of the mirror in front of that wall on your study table, or even create a bookmark and keep it in your book which you read regularly. Reading these affirmations or positive thoughts not just gives us a sense of calm in our mind, but also probably creates sort of a cushion when we all are subjected to such a critical situation. We must admit that all of us are undergoing some degree of fear and panic due to whatever we are getting to hear or whatever we're facing in our lives or with our family members or beloved relatives or friends and other people. But when we have such a strength that is built in inside, this is like a mental immunity that will help us to handle the situation smartly, effectively, and most of all with utmost responsibility. I will meet you again with another effective tip on drugless therapy. Until then, thank you so much for watching. Stay calm, stay at home, and definitely utilize this time to meditate and strengthen your mental immunity. See you again.